Only the finest potatoes, fresh from our farms, make their way into every Lay's bag.
These plants over here look promising.
Ah, I'll take a look.
Here are the samples from the eastern quadrant.
Okay, running the analysis now. Results look good for nitrogen.
Only the best potatoes make their way from our farm into Lay's bags.
Morning. Manifest and bill of lading, please.
Here you go, it's all accounted for.
Everything seems to be in order. You are cleared to enter.
These look good, consistent size. Yeah, very few defects in this batch.
We have a reading of 150 ppm on this sample.
Good. Log that and let's check the next crate.
Make sure the tension is exactly 50 Newton meters on these clamps.
Here at Lay's, our kettle-style chips are cut much thicker than the others. They're precisely 2.2 millimeters, which gives them that perfect crunch.
Exactly 1.7 millimeters, not 1.6,
Not 1.8.
precisely 1.7.
continuous fryers stretch up to 300 feet long. That's nearly the length of a football field in Lay's factory.
Welcome to the heart of the flavor. This is zone 1, where we use high temperatures to rapidly remove moisture, ensuring that perfect crunch.
We're in zone 2 now. The temperature drops here, allowing the chips to slowly develop their signature color and, of course, the flavor.
Right now we're in zone 3, where the chips reach their final crispness before moving on to the oil drainage conveyors you see here.
Check the moisture content on these.
Woo! Perfect color, boss. The specs are right on target.
Moisture content is still reading high. We need to adjust the fryer temperature immediately, or we'll have too many soft chips.
I'm getting a strong savory note, but perhaps missing some brightness.
According to the GC analysis, we could increase the citric by 2%.
This right here is the secret ingredient. You have to be precise with the measurements to get the flavor just right.
Lay's bags start as giant rolls of film, metallized plastic that blocks light and oxygen.
Morning. If you could just sign right here for the Lay's delivery.
Sure thing. Looks complete.
And here is your copy.
That will be $350.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a good one.